All right, subscribers, followers, thank y'all for clicking and subscribing and hitting that bell and notifications and all that. Welcome to another weekly segment of Thirsty Thursday. We'll get this show on the road. The topic of discussion this week is these bezels for a Polaris XP 1000 non-turbo edition. If you're like us, we ride a lot of the Hatfield McCoy trails in the mud. A lot of them's in the mud. We don't purposely hit all the mud. We're not one of those big mud doggers that love to bury the machines, but you know, we still don't. We're still not able to go around all the mud holes, so we got to go through a lot of them. And when you ride Tennessee, West Virginia, you're going to get in the mud. And what happens in the mud? These things right here, this bezel right here on the side of this machine, this air intake right here, gets stopped up pretty easily. This is off of the Blue Donkey. This is the factory one. Actually got a tear in it. I needed to get a new one, and I came across by doing some research that you can swap these XP 1000s out for the XP 1000 Turbo Edition, which is much taller, and also has a slot back here on the back side that can't get covered. It won't get covered in mud most likely because mud doesn't hit that. If you'll step over here, follow me to the Blue Donkey, I'll show you. This is the old one. It came off. Like I said, I was gonna have to replace the frog skin anyway. It was tore. This is one I put on about 1.5 years ago. I got one for both sides because the frog tape was in both sides was in the same condition. This is what feeds your belt, gets you air to your belt. If this gets covered in mud, your belt will start to warm up because it cannot get any air in there. When you switch out to these turbo bezels, they are also slotted and vented on the back side. It's a little harder for you to see because I got this ammo box here, but there is a slotted it back here with frog tape, frog skin over it as well. I said frog tape, I meant frog skin. So this gets covered in mud. This back here does not. So it still allows for it to breathe. And it has been a noticeable difference. When I put this on here, I could tell a big difference. I never once had to stop and clean this thing off. I mean, I still would periodically clean it off, but I never had to stop in the middle of the trail because my belt temperatures was going up. This, you can find them online. They're about $100 a piece, $100 to $125 a piece. You can get them off of eBay as a set for about $225 to $250. You can find them multiple places, UTV Source. We will put a link, maybe 2 links in the description down below. Chase will do that. And there again, like I said, you put them on there, they will fit. It doesn't say it's for the XP non-turbo, but they will fit an XP non-turbo. This is a 2020 model. I just went online and bought it as if I was buying it for a 2020 XP 1000 Turbo Edition, and they do fit. All right, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for clicking the likes, all that good stuff, and happy trails. See you next Thursday.